Can you sing a song now? And can you dance too? Sit down. You're going to fall down now. I'm gonna get up. Let me move the chair a little bit. Let's move the chair to here. Now you sit down here. And now you can sing a song. And a dance. Okay, when are you going to dance? Can you dance for Savta right now? Let's see. Shake your tushy, shake your tushy. Shake, 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 shake your tushy. Okay, you want me to hold it for you? Yes? It's new, right? Pancake Savta? What is it, a new song? Pancake Savta? Who ate all the pancake? Did you eat all the pancake? Did you eat all the soup? You don't want to wash the baby? Can you sing one more song for Savta? All done? That was a very short song. What are you eating? Food? What food? You're eating cheesy? You want me to clean it up and you want to make bubbles?